Hello Kolkata! Sanskriti is coming up with their first solo exhibition come sale on 21st of August in Sudha Hall. It's just Baliganj, Anil Moitra Road, next to the Cornfield Road showroom of Sanskriti. Timing is 11 o'clock in the morning to 9 p.m. at night. It's a whole day event where we are organizing a fashion show, installations, lip smacking, snacks and beverages, and many more for you. So please drop in. It's on Friday, 21st of August, and looking forward to see you all. This is our first exhibition, solo exhibition, so we are very tense, but we need your support. So looking forward to welcome you all, Sudha Hall, 21st of August. We are here with our beautiful Orissa handloom sarees and also some other weaving sarees. 930th episode, and I'm Lalia. Sanskriti Kolkata Sharodiya edit of some unique weaves. So I'll start with temple border tussar sari with Sambalpuri Palla. These temple border woven Sambalpuri tussar saris. The body is the texture totally woven, and the blouse piece will be in this coffee color dual tone. It is a short color because it has been woven a yarn of resham as well as tussar. So it is giving, see, a deep and light look. The temple border color coffee and ikkat palla. Ideal for office wear, corporate look, extremely beautiful. Tussar, Ghicha tussar sari with ikkat palla and temple ikkat border. This has a Sambalpuri border along with the temple border. So temple border as well as Sambalpuri border with a dark chocolate pallu and blouse piece. Now comes another weaving, which is raw silk Gorod border. You know our Bengal Gorod shari. Similar type, those are usually more in red, but keeping that type of texture in mind, type of border, that Gorod type border, we have done this in this temple as well as solid border along with zari border, this raw silk sari, pallu and this blouse piece. No buttas, no patterns, but all silk sari. Very pretty in a beautiful ivory and dark garnet combination. There's another one in this. Raw silk again with a purple border. Blouse. If you want to visit our store, we are based out of Kolkata and we have two branches. 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, as well as 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. The Jamil Lane branch has all budget-friendly collection as well as the tailoring unit, and it is just near the Baliganj railway station, and car park is also there in front of the store. So you can check out for sarees under 5,000 as well as, of course, premium collection is also there. But the full stock of gifting item is all ready, and also you can do video call options available, WhatsApp calling, video calling or pictures. There's the other number given, 98311 number. You can connect there for the Jamil Lane branch. This is a Bengal cotton check cotton sari, and because of the red border, it is ideal for the season. Very stylish poppy color sari, pop-up colors, you can say, very smart looking. bold check, and this is pure cotton, cellular cotton bold check with red and vermilion border palla. Another one is a comparatively smaller check, but this has a orange and rani color border. Blouse. Bengal cotton sari. Pure cotton and very smart. Linen sari, pure linen in checkered weave. Touch of silver zari segregating each check, and a woven blouse piece complete with tassels. Booking number is provided. Just take the screenshot if the sari is available. We will give you the bank details or Paytm number, GPay, scanner, QR code, whichever is convenient. Internationally, we are shipping regularly. After you make the payment, send the details. The screenshot is required, and we will courier it to you. Free shipping in India, and also cash on delivery in Kolkata only. We have the tailoring unit in both our branches. So if you want your blouses, suits to be stitched, connect to our team. Smart linen with check, multi-check blouse piece. Now I'll show something very interesting. Cotton Jamdani Banaras weave. So this is a pure, very fine woven cotton Jamdani. It is fully with resham weave, no zari. A tone on tone body will have an all over weave throughout the sari. The uniqueness of the Jamdani in the border and the buttas. The blouse piece is along with the pallu. A very interesting sari and very different. Since we have our weavers located in every state of our country, I always make sure that I give some unique pieces to weave to our weaver who does not make Jamdani. Benaras Jamdani is very recently they have started. It is usually Bangladesh, it's usually Bengal who does unique Jamdanis. But now that we love fusion, we always mix match the weaves, and then it comes out to be something very different. We have our ready-made blouses. So if you want to try out our ready-made blouses, this has an additional sleeves here, short sleeves, so you can attach. There is margin inside. 36 to 38 sizes available. This is around 38, can be increased to 40. Sleeveless, but there is sleeve fabric inside with cups. These kind of many colors available in our store. Number 10. We have this beautiful blue. Look at the border, pallu, blouse piece. Tone on tone blue, and this extra blouse that we were seeing, this scallop blouses. These are all available in pretty colors like the blue, the black, the green, the red, common colors. And we have, this is the sleeves with cups. See the scalloping detail here. Then comes the charcoal color. This is a very stylish piece. Very stylish piece, and price remains same, and it has the charcoal colored blouse piece along with the red, along with the weaving done. And here see the tone on tone weave, same weave but very smart. You can wear it with a designer blouse, you can wear it with printed blouse, you can wear it with the same blouse and wear a very gorgeous junk jewelry to highlight your statement jewelry. Also we have this kind of scallop blouse which is very much in demand. The scallop blouse front and back, they can be worn with a lot of sarees, including the sleeves is also scallop. Very soft silk fabric, satin silk, and it is complete with silk lining. Easily adjustable with cups, size till 40. Colors available, like we have black, bottle green, royal blue, red, the most necessary colors. Number 12. Now we have this Resham by Tassar Jamdani sari. Here this is a Bengal handloom weaving, and this reverse Jamdani is so unique with a matha par, peacock blue matha par. This is this Rama color. See the dual tone Rama matha par bordered with all over Korat Bhutta. Very soft tassar based sari, and here is the pallu with running blouse piece. Very soft handloom tassar saris from West Bengal. You will love the softness and the feel of the sari. You know, sometimes tassar, since this is Resham by Tassar and handloom, you will love the softness of the sari. And see the weaving in the achol. Here is the border. Every sari is different from each other. Concept sari and Pujo collection. We are getting stocks every day. The first thing I do in the morning, wake up, look out in my balcony, how many flowers has bloomed today, how many leaves have fallen, and I feel so sad if we have some, fresh leaves fall out. Looking out for any kind of, bugs or anything that is damaging my plants. And then I water in the morning and take a mug of coffee, and A to Z, 20-25 weavers I keep on messaging, question mark, what happened to the stock, show me the progress, show me some pictures, I'm coming next week, get this stock ready. I mean, they know in the morning time ma'am's message will come, and they are just feels really excited what stock is coming, how is the progress, what is the weaving being done, if they are using the right yarn. All these are so important. This royal blue. How do you like these colors? Very beautiful. Now let me show the reverse side of the sari. This is the pallu, so you can see clearly it's hand woven with all over butta, very soft tassars, and this is the butta and these are all needle jamdani, you see. All needle jamdani, hand woven. Another coffee color, another beauty. This combination with coffee, mustard and teal. We have the tailoring unit in both the branches in Baliganj. 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. So if you want your blouses to be stitched, our team will guide you how to take the measurements and details. You can check out our reviews in WhatsApp status and stories. And we are coming up with new videos, Instagram posts, reels, new launch shoots regularly for you to see the collection. Now I'll show two very beautiful muslin jamdani sari from Bengal. Pure muslin with this silverish, a little bit of antique silver, zari woven jamdani with the raw silk matka blouse piece with the buttas. Very pretty sari, dark magenta, and it's classy, unique and a rare combination. Then we have the grey as well. Superb sari, price 9900, pure hand woven muslin, silk muslin jamdani with zari. Now moving on to Orissa handlooms. Pure tussar. Look at the achol, how intricately this is woven. Just superb piece, no zari. Absolutely stunning temple border, classy. Here is the pallu, big pallu. Fish buta. Pure tussar, and here is the blouse piece. Rich wine color. Just superb. Next, some amazing Orissa handloom saris I'll show now. Terracotta with rich turquoise. Multi-buttas. Achol, look at the double palla. These are all double palla. Blouse. Just one thing, Orissa handloom, many saris come without a blouse piece or small blouse, shorter size blouse. So this you have to adjust. We have been telling our weavers, but what happens? They do 6.5 meters, but what happens with the stitching and with the change of threads and all, the size sometimes becomes 6 meters, sometimes 6.25. So sari will be full, but blouse may be shorter. Very pretty piece, and let me just check the price of the sari. Very beautiful piece, multi-border temple ikkat. And the next one, see this silk sari. Just amazing silk sari. First see the sari, then I'll tell you the details. Here is the blouse piece. Double border pasha pallu, unique silk Orissa handloom sari. Just see this. Next, an absolutely stunning color combination, tussar silk sari, shankho buta, no blouse piece, shankho, no blouse piece, just beautiful. Just wear it with a white silk blouse, or you can go white will look the best, or a same body color silk blouse. No blouse piece, okay? Red Shankho sari with no blouse piece, tussar silk sari. Orissa handloom tussar silk. Why is it called Shankho? In Bengali we say Shankho because of the conch shell. This is why it is called Shankho sari. This achol is exclusive. Red, deep red, maroonish red, gap bordered with buta and then black. Very beautiful silk sari in yellow, black and red. Very pretty. The border is equally beautiful, and the pallu is also very pretty. Triple kumbh border. Triple kumbh border. 1, 2, 3. Blouse piece. Number 23, body plain, and this has a very beautiful ikat border. Pallu and blouse piece. Again measure 5.5 meters and then cut the blouse. Beautiful sleek border sari. Achol, blouse. This is a fish border and mini buta. Small butas are there. The border has very pretty this gap and sequin border. Small butas, mini butas. We have the ikat achol and the blouse piece. This has a blouse piece. The color combination is very pretty. Look at the border, very sleek, beautiful border. All handloom, pure Orissa handloom saris. Color combination in royal and maroon, beautiful, reddish, dark red. Actually, this has a fish border. That didn't have a fish border. Same sari, but this is a one with the fish border. Maybe my writing was incorrect. See. Blouse. Now I'll show some stunning exclusive Nobokothi Sambalpuri Palla. These are Sambalpuri saris with Nobokothi Palla, exclusive, amazing saris. Last time all were sold out. this black color with deep red, very beautiful. Look at all over weaving in this, all over weaving in this. This is number 26. Look at the achol. Nobokoti double Sambalpuri sarees in pure silk. Number 26, the prices are all mentioned. Internationally, we are shipping regularly. So if you want your sarees to be stitched, we'll complete fall picot. If you want the blouse stitching, and then we'll courier. All these are new collection of our Sambalpuri Nobokoti Palla. Handlooms and in gorgeous shades, gorgeous shades. Look at this. Today, last time I had shown only 1 or 2 pieces, I think. All sold out because they are very rare sarees. We cannot get these at a time in bulk. Still, I managed to curate these few pieces before I wanted to do this episode, because I don't like doing an episode when there is only 1 or 2 pieces. So I always try to get a collection. I wait for the full stock. Though full stock will also not come, more are also on the process. So this is a very stunning color combination, not black, this is a coffee with red. Nobokoti sarees. Then we have this blue and magenta. All comes with blouse piece. Wow, such beautiful patterns, motifs, bordered pallu and combination. This has a full woven blouse piece, so probably this should be a higher range, I think. Nobokoti number 30. Just beautiful. Sundays open till the Durga Puja. And then the one that I am wearing, Utkala Lakshmi Silk Sambalpuri Nobokoti Palla, pure silk handloom, comes with this dark garnet blouse piece. Price of this beautiful silk saree is 23,500. 23,500, and the jewelry set that I am wearing, $3,800. 3,800 is the set. So your comments are important, your feedback are important. Let me know how you like the video via comments or Google reviews. Thank you so much.